wa NRM abashabire kugira ngo bo bamurondera itaka yaho akaruru kaheza koraba muje inchuro erukurata heji 2015 mpaka 2015 okwezi ko kubanza mpaka 2021 abateka techeho kureba ngo babahereza industrial park barracks ahanguto nyekero tugambaho n'abantu bamwe oyijuke na president agigambere ngute kuruga Fort Portal City erugumza muri ndoroko erugumza muri Kazabundo bujo nayo tebonire yaho konka president agigambere hongo neza korwa kwenda kunja abantu entunguka hamwe n'entasi umakagabo nibingi ebizire nibikorwa kandi nibingi ebizire bigambo umushekeki twenda kugambaho na bamwe abataka b'eshekeki batushobore niki eco baganyirwamo omuranga narshi omuramwa narshi omutogwa NRM no kugira ngo ba protecting against ebyo ebikozirwe kwenda ngo bigumeho obundi batakahiriho kureba ngo batera akaruru akandi twenda kugambaho na secretary wa NRM aha district niyemwe yacejeje twakwakira omami atuhirwe twenda kumanya protecting against erizoba nortayero wa chairman wa NRM om district edge imwe nk'abantu ba chenjojo mujiganyirwe muki omu rutayero wa president amukugira ngo muza kongera kutera akarura kwazinda
otyo muno my brother
Tayari West nitugenda omeisho no kwisyaho enshonga ezebya karuru kandi kirombi cyo bya chenjojo mpora kandi kukuru kumanya obumwe habamo okwekwata mukache ne konka nitubasa kuba nitugarukayo mpora basekura abantu ba chenjojo enshonga ezibakwemereraho okuhagera president Kaguta Museveni no kwijo mbwinje bati kukuru kubareba ahakishayi kandi barinziro kura obutumwa bwe reka tubase garukayo chenjojo tukwisiye kugenda meisho
already ekyo kibiro zo ebintu ebindi nebijja mpora ko commitment to get a municipality as chenjojo ekyo kibere kyamana muno kandi tureba ba chenjojo tugenda kukiganyirwamu of course ne ngudo ku rugudo rwa cyakiro rugudo rwa Kijora Katoke Rugombe izi ngudo zikwa zikozirwe netusobora kuongera okugoboramo mukusubura kugoboramo tamaze byamaguzi byetu of course tuiketusabire ni rwaro lya Njojo Hospital okuba expanded of course it was a presidential pledge kurugen 2016 then of course ntwetagaho na buildings ezindi neko tusobole ketaringa abakazi beitu
wano gamba nka bridges ezabire 2016 zitakabire fulfilled cyo nkibaretera abantu ba chenjojo okugira ngo mwongere kwereza support government
of course pledges nzibaho baitu of course it commitment for policy is technically being addressed but of course there is those ones which are politically being addressed kandi na president wipo bapate flaga bya naitaka kwikana ikibwa okurona ikiriza so nazino pledges rakorwa kiro kya hati abebimbezi baitu bene kutwara ubujonanizibwa okurona bakora follow up kurora ibintu binuna bya hikira
ekibuzo echahamwe turukwendera ntumanyangu abenyekereza narishi abakurata abamadini batemekwa baza politics reba orire engoro kandi watahona karaze chikoretera entama zawe narishi abakuratira okweyahuramu ombohereza
nangwa hati bokurora Bible ne yagamba intingo abantu bange babuzira bokubura kumanya no kukenga so abantu baitwine kubagara hamwe kandi kakubororo ubwebembezi n'ubugenda directionnaire I normally have my motto yagamba if things are going opposite go another direction if things are not going right go left so yitonka bemezi bedini soba kwikara tukacholera naturally a political system is organized through the religious system so you cannot separate the two. These are two sisters. The religion, we have religious politics, at the same time we have social politics. Yes.
Wabare mnonga gambra umunya Uganda okutana sebintu bibiri politics eza omukana hamwe na politics eza omuyihanga ezo koronda bebembezi twenda gumiza muntu gamba n'abantu baburijo kureba ngo batushobora entekateka yabo
Yes, tayari Westi tugenda mesho mutayi wetu arikutureba adakikezi ishatu murisha mukagazi yangwe nitugumiza muno Christian wenshonga izibyakaruru turiyo mbicweka ebya chenjojo okwe nitoro ayi president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni izoberi akuza kutanchira kusherura akaruru karabe nahezaho azo mu district eya Kibali district eya chenjojo nkokuwahura omwe hariyabo abebembezi b'edini kandi abahadizi ba NRM arukushobora yagirangu hariho engudo zabo ezibari kuteekateeka president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni naza kugambaho orugudo orwo kuruga Katoke okuza Kijura ogumizamu okugeita harwa Kamwenje okwe omonda nibeja kuba nibateekateeka ngo president kara arugambeho nirwisha kuba wera okutambuza ebyamaguzi byabo hamwe n'okusya obundi nkabakyara bari kuba binenda kurungi hamarwariro kuzara nabandi barwire nabandi abarikuba nibakosa ebyentambura okwe omuri Chenjojo district ejo eya Chenjojo eine ebyafayo omu kibini kya NRM abo kugira ngo niyo yabirera bihwamu okuconnectinga ningo kugeita okuruga mbicweke byabunyoro kuraba Chenjojo kutaha omurutoro kandi nahwaho hariho ebyafayo bingi ebirine ebyinwe abekibine ekyo kya NRM obwahati ahibari kwija kuba nibasherura akaruru akahwire president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni district ejo eya Chenjojo akakora kurungi kandi nka district ezindi zona ezatoro harimunka aharugire nyuma abazyo district eya Chegegwa district eya Kamwenje na nenyumaho omuri Kabarore na Bunyangabo district ezo ezatoro obwari yona itebekanisa kuruzurugamu ahabire na sherura karuru okutandika na wiki eyahwire na hati leka tukugarureyo
buri gwizoba wa West nindeba Museveni niwe agumire kubanga atukurize kurungi nkabizukuru kandi turindaje kandi muzeyi noreba nobwa kuba takutiya campaign ariyo natugambire byakozire kandi nebyakumiza mu kutukorera muzeyi aba bakutera campaign tinkarebera mu mudakubasa kushitamo mu ntebe ya muzeyi kandi muzeyi ashimiye kutwebembera mpaka fire kubanga akozire muno
webare munonga kato ejo ni message yatwereze kugira ngo abanya-Uganda bashimiye kuba nibebemberwa kandi nibaguma nibaronda akarura aka omuntu ekatekaye niyo kugira ngo nibingi ebikozirwe omunya-Uganda kandi niburi kimwe eky'abantu bashimiye kwandi bareba ahitugambira waza kureba enyumaha chairman wa NRM omukunda akaruru ariyo naija kandi yahikire aha kishaya ekyakatosa pre ground omuri Mwenge ka Chenjojo district katugare stage kano kwakira chairman wa NRM
When I was a little girl, my grandma told me that I could be just anything that I wanted to. She said that everything I work for, everything I wish for, everything I look for, it is right on me. Everything I work for, everything I wish for, everything I look for, it is right on me. And she said,
Honorable Anita Mong, Right Honorable Jordan, Western Uganda Chairperson, Aba M. Torial Soke, Nitura State Minister Victoria Soke, Honorable America muli kutesa n'abantu bona kutangira pesa askali sifa Kyenjojo nakutangira abana bakutangira wet president webale kuita Kyenjojo webale kuita Kyenjojo kugonza Lawrence na nakutangira honorable DC Kyenjojo na kutangirire vice chairperson Western News kutangirire webale kweta mu Kyenjojo district abantu ba Kyenjojo bona nibakugonza muno tima bale kuija mu Kyenjojo tima bale kuija president wetu webale kuija tutangira webale kuija mu Kyenjojo. Anthems please. I request the president to sit. Prayers, please.
Your Excellency, Takebe Mbire Sara, ninkusaba umpa omugisa ngire ebigambo bike binakugambiraho. Your Excellency ni ntwara omugisa gwokutangira mu kichweka kinu amabara gange ninyi Reverend Father Venancio Busobozi Atuoki ninyi bwana mukuru w'ekichweka kinu kandi dini wakatosa dinare yerukutwara districts ya Kyenjojo hamwe na Kyegego. Kubanza ninkusima akiki Your Excellency abwo kwikiriza okwija okora rale yawe omukizaniro kinu ekirukwera. We call it Katosa Holy Ground. Ekichweka eky'abajulizi, ekichweka eky'abakaiso. Webale kwija omukichweka kinu. Ninkusima Your Excellency habwokuba gunu tugubaire murundi gwawo gwokubanza okaija hakelezia watekaho omuganda gwokusakara ekelezia. Abantu bakatosa tibakakwebwaga, abantu ba Kyenjojo tibakakwebwaga, hati balinzire akaira ako kukuzimura ako kugarura. Ntukusima muno Your Excellency kandi banya tekelezia yawo girozeri. Ekelezia yawo ayombekere Your Excellency etegerize kukingurwa kandi ninkuraliza akiro kyo kukingura ojobeho sigalire okorwa sealing munda rundi murutore itwe twetatangaliwa yekuita kumaraho sente za Uganda milioni 12 zonko. Ninkusima kandi ninkutangiro mukichweka kinu kandi ninkusima habwo kwikiriza kwija cy'abajulizi no kukikiriza kukikuza kikaba kichweka cy'oburambuzi. Entekaniza zacyo minister naija kuzisima. Ninkusima President kandi ninkumanyisa nti omukichweka kinu nitwebembeza enkurakurana. Twine sako tutandikire nkakatosa parish. Ntwendo tutereho omukono waitu President nuko tusobole okonyera abantu bona tukubera rwaju. Your Excellency ninkusima kandi akumalira ninkusaba omubwiro bwawe onyete ntunge audience naiwe nkubalize ebinda ha mutima ebyenkurakurana yekichweka abokuba ninyebembere kichweka kinu nimpuliriza abayingi n'abayingi nibampuliriza. Ndikisima muno waitu President obwolimpo mbugisogo. Habuna nyowe aruho abebembezi Sheikh Mwesige Nodin habwa Kyenjojo, aro Bishop Sunday Luke, aro Bishop Isaac Mutebezi. Ati ninsaba abantu ba Ruhanga inywena abarukwikiriza mu Ruhanga twemere tweruhanga ekitinisa kandi tumusabe. Mukama Ruhanga oli haiguru ya byona kandi oli haiguru ya byona. Niwo orukulema, niwo orukutegeka, niwo ekisembo ky'obwebembezi kandi niwo kyebembeza. Nitukuhongera omwebembezi waitu omugonzebwa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Omuhe ekisembo eky'amagezi nk'ekyo wahaire omugenzebwa wawe Solomoni. Obuya kusabire byona wamusaba kusaba yasaba amagezi. Nimukusabira Mukama omuhe ekisembo ky'amagezi asobole kutwebembera kurungi nk'oku yatwebembire. Kandi nimusabira omugisa gw'obusinguzi omubururu bunu tusobole kumurora ali musinguzi nayongera kutegeka ihanga linu. Nimusabira obwomezi oburungi n'okumalira rali zinu kurungi. Oho omugisa okweterana kwaitu, oho omugisa okuba hanu kandi ikirize ngu byone byaratwegesa, byone byaratugambira. Buli muntu nyakwizire hanu asobole kurugamu n'ekintu ky'amagezi ekiramufora w'omugaso. Bino byona twabikusaba ntubikusimira ntubirabye omukristo Mukama waitu. Amina. Mwibara lya isitwe nerya mwana nerya moyo mikirire.
Bebale muna abwe sala edio imbanza kutangira muhara waitu rundi muhara wa president muhara wa NRM Natasha webale kuiza mchenjojo amabara gange ninyo wahaisibwe zen ndi district female youth councillor wa chenjojo kandi ninkora nka secretary for publicity chenjojo district mainstream. I take this note to welcome the General Secretary, the NRM General Secretary, Dr. James Tweheyo. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisibwe. NRM hoye! Immediate apology from the General Secretary of the party, the Right Honorable Richard Odong. Is unable to be here with us, but he requested me to represent him for leaders and immediately recognize the presence of Owabusobozi Bisaka, who is also with us. And Your Excellency, amongst the dignitaries present, we have the Right Honorable Speaker and the Vice Chairperson, the second Vice Chairperson of the party, Right Honorable Kano Tombutime, and the man, the youth, Tang Collins. The man, the youth, Tang Collins. I have a number of ministers, Your Excellency, Victoria Rusoke, Honorable Mugara, and yes, we have some former ministers, Aston Kajara, also present. Your Excellency, we have several dignitaries, some of whom I cannot mention, but can I request the former members of Parliament kindly stand up for recognition? Former members of Parliament, kindly stand up for recognition. Yes, Your Excellency, we have one of your presidential advisors, Christine, kindly stand up for recognition. Muhindo Christine, Your Excellency, we have the chairperson of the ROC5 of Chenjojo, kindly stand up for recognition. And the district executive of ROC5 is there, the other side. Kindly, districts, wave to the president. District executive, wave to the president. Stand up and wave to the president. Your Excellency, we have the Bakwenda Babisaka. I have already mentioned them. Your Excellency, we have Edward Nkonge, the NRM chairperson, who I am soon inviting to come and present the memorandum. Meanwhile, as he comes, we have the former RDC, Webare Aporo. Vice Chairperson, please come and present the memorandum for the district. The current members of Parliament received you there, but we shall also present the flag bearers at a later time to welcome you as and when it is required. Chairperson, please come and present the memorandum for the district.
There. Thank you. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, founder of NRA, NRM, chairman of the National Resistance Movement, flag bearer of the National Resistance Movement Party, the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament and second Vice Chairperson, National for NRM Party, SEC members, Honorable Retired Colonel Tom Butime, the Vice Chairperson Western, Honorable Jonad Asimwe, protocol observed. Wetu Excellency President, Ibara lyange ninyowe Nkonge Edward Rwamwaro, Chairman NRM Kyenjojo District and flag bearer for Katoke Town Council, Mayor, and I have been a mayor for the last 15 years, Katoke Town Council. Ningonza wetu omulingwe mbaganiza President kukutangira n'abagenzi bange bona bebembezi ba NRM aba Kyenjojo District habo kuija mu Kyenjojo District kiro kino ebirebe kwezi mwenda Desemba 2025. White President ningonza kukutabarukya korora ntwekira hano ombusinge kana ruhanga kwebembire kurungi muno. Ningonza kusima White President n'abagenzi bangi twena mu district ya Kyenjojo ungi ombusinge ekyali kitakabohoga kuya Uganda nebo. Ningonza kusima wetu ninsaba abantu ba Kyenjojo mutere President Mungaro hawe ekintu ekikuru eki kutulinde emyaka egiyona. Obusinge okabuleta na bagenzi bawo hata hii myaka 40 tuyina obusinge kandi buli muntu abantu abali hano banyina obusinge wetu President kandi nibakora ebintu byabo hatari kubatera mukono. Tugonza kusima habo kuteraniza abantu ba Uganda bona kurora ntukora hamu hatari mukwahukana kuona eje njiri okaija nayo kenana na mukaga na hati otaha no kya kibaze kigambe kikantoka kirekaga kandi otulinzire kurungi muno kandi abantu abali hano tugonzangana. Webale wetu President. White President okatandikaho enjiri yenkorakorana kandi ogihondire muno weija wajongera mu amani no leta parish development model mu district ya Kyenjojo. White President tunyina amagombora asatu na limu twine meruka 17 twine byaro 892 Aibya bikaro byona White President yemeruka yona eriyo netunga sente za PDM. Na milioni 5 ne mtwaro kinana nena na akenda rukaga kinana na isatu. Ntugonza kusima White President sente zino iresire mpinduka ya amani habantu baitu habokuba buli muntu nakora nakozesa sente ezo watwekire White President ogonze bona tabakaitungire baitu buli muntu eja kwekwaho kandi mu manifesto White President oyongireho sente ezo kandi kirungi muno hati omuruka nugwija kutunga hay milioni 3 nikimanyisa abantu bona nibaija kutunga sente ezo White President kukera muno esera ntugita haba youth bainaho obuchweka 30 nkoko waragire abakyara 30 abalema 10 na abantu abandi 10 nabatunga sente ezo. no haraba harumo buntu bukebuke baitu wait president abantu sente na baitunga baitu ebini tujja kubiterekereza kantoliyo tubiterekereza kurungi abantu aba batungire PDM funds nebalima nebalisa kandi kukira muno harumu abarukutunga abarukulima omwani ebicholi ebilaya n'abarukutunga embuzi n'abakulima ebitoke na vegetables nuko basobole okurakuraniza entashya y'amaka ntukusima wait president mutere mu ngaro abantu bakyenjojo bino bintu bikuru sima president wait president okatandikawo project ya agri-led and legs zino project sibiri wait president itukonyire muno mu district ya Kyenjojo ikatandikaho ntugonza kusima retired general Salim Saleh akandwanaho habo kwija mu region yaitu ya Toro Rwenzori kutandika henjiri nuko zino senti isobole kutandika agri-led kukera muno na legs ezalesiro ministry ya local government nsima General Saleh akaikara mu Rwenzori region na mobilizing abantu kandi obuyagarukireyo ne kitabwe cyahandikire kikoto projects zino wait president okaikiriza zatandika mu district ya Kyenjojo no Mutoro Rwenzori region wait projects zino under agri-led your excellency tonyenamo ebyoma by'omwani bikatandikaho omugombora ekihura hali ekyoma ky'omwani wait president musahemu nikituru kyataniyemu nikichweka ez'omwani gwa kasi ekyo kiri mu kihura ekyoma ekindi wait president kiri omugombora ekyembogo nakyo nikingana amani neki nikituru ky'omwani nugogumu tonyena mukunyu market agri-led ekombeka akatale ka mukunyu kandi wait president nikakora kurungi tonyena ebyoma by'amata ekirugombe town council nekinyakuli Kyenjojo town council Katoke town council haroho orugudo access road yakozirwe under legs egi enyakuli we yayo community access road 12 kilometers kaihora butiti community access road egi nayo kajikora 5 kilometers eze ngudi ibiri kaizikasha water supply egi ere mugombora ekihura ntukusema wait president hawa service delivery egi amagezi gawe no buhabuzi no bwebembezi oburungi soboire okutunga ebintu ebinka Kyenjo district nanga summarizing kuno mukoro tugutekanize mpora wait president nja kubaza bwango baitu ebintu bino bikuru habwa NRM tugonza ekinde kya Katoke dairy farmers ekyome ki wait president kiroho kina balisa haibi kumbisatu donka wait president otwongere yente habwe ekyome eki otusobole kutamwa amata lita enkumina ekyoma nikyenda lita enkumina kakubo tuhente bikombetano tukaigabira abalisa wait president ente enjungwe za mata marungi ekyoma kenu kija genda maiso na abantu nibongera kusimena RM government webale wait president twine emyoga mu district sente ze emyoga twina SACCOs atano na ina ezirumba members emitwale 2,900 kienda na musanju wait president sente ezo nizikora kurungi kanto nyina musente bilioni 2 no tikitiki musanju na mukaga twina na sente wait president is what haire is a youth livelihood iri mu district na uwepo hamna seje z'abagurisi baitu neza abantu aba bakuru hati uzongireho wait president obagarwire hamyaka nkaga ni 5 etarike 8 yakabegambirwe he nyuma aho abagurisi nibakusima wait president webale president n'abasigazi nibakusima habwa sente zabo za YLP nazo nizija kandi neza uwe za abacyara nibakusima kandi sente webale president hamasomero wait president amasomero ntugonza kusima habwa presidential hub eyakijwiga skilling hub yaitu wait president ntugonza kusima habwa skilling hub wegi nsaba abantu mutere mungara ba Kyenjojo egyo skilling hub yakozira mulimo gw'amani wait president abasigazi baitu bona hayi Kyenjojo wait president nabayija kugobora hub wegi habokuba ekozira mulimo gw'amani sazi naturukubaliza wait president nka Kyenjojo district twakaturi cyabana 175 hati enrollment yebaireho tutayira mu abana bande 80 habwa Kyenjojo district na tugonza kusima wait president kandi tukusaba wait president skilling hub wegi oyongero gigalisheho nuko tuongere mu abana abayingi nuko tuongere mu maiso kuhereza waitu bw'abantu nka NRM party nka NRM government wait president tuina technical institute tuina amasomero 18 government aided kandi amasomero 378 private kandi hamna community schools tuina seed schools wait president ibiri ezinyakuli completed and ibiri ziri under construction nibazikora wait president government tuina mu amasomero 25 ga private hamu na community schools waitu omumeruka 17 wait president eyera mu district yona ntwetagisamu amasomero aga primary emeruka anke muno enyakwina amasomero hameruka egi ntuburwaha amasomero haihi amasomero asatonalimu kandi waitu ntukusaba mu sub counties zaitu ntuburwamu waitu amasanyarazi hanyuma na masomero ga secondary nko ku government policy eri kugamba tutonye na masomero ga secondary mu magombora gaitu agandi amagombora 23 nugo waitu gaina secondary schools amasomero agandi ago waitu gaina ntukusaba waitu president otukonyere tunga amasomero ago ntukusaba waitu president tutonye na abasomesa barukumara mu primary no mu secondary schools tukusaba waitu president oikiriza ba recruiting abasomesa barukumara nuko abana basome kurungi mu health waitu president mu byobwomezi tonye ni irwaro eri Kyenjojo General Hospital irwaro waitu president ni serving a district yona kandi irwaro leno waitu president haro ni irwaro aga amagombora garo mu amarwaro ay12 no gaina amarwaro baitu amagombora gando waitu president tigaina health facilities ntukusaba waitu president kwa upgradinga irwaro area bufunjo health center 3 nuko irwaro eri sobole okugenda kuba health center 4 niyo constituency yonka county yonka mu district etanyina irwaro area health center 4 baitu constituency zindi waitu president zina ntugonza kusima waitu president no haraba taroha amasanyarazi garukumara baitu ntugonza kumanyisa mu district amasanyarazi garu president baitu haro hebikaro ebingi muno waitu president yebitanye na amasanyarazi baitu amasanyarazi garu mu district baitu ebyaro byaitu ebyaro bikiro bwinyi waitu president tebina amasanyarazi ntukusaba waitu president yoragire amasanyarazi yago bagarubase gagende mu byaro byone bya Kyenjojo district nuko abantu beyongere nkorakorana waitu ntugonza kusima president nka NRM party habwokoragera kairekano obusobozi bwona bukagaruka omumikono ya structures za NRM kusera akaruru n'okutekaniza emikoro nkeno y'ebikitebe hatali abantu wait president enyuma habarugaga Kampala baruga mbikare ebindi ngo bayizere Kyenjojo kutekaniza bwa NRM webale kukifusha wait president webale wait hati abantu ba NRM structures bona mu Kyenjojo district bale habyale runana kienda na bibiri nabayija kukora umulimo korora NRM wait president etungira akaruru kikome hakikome mu district ya Kyenjojo hawebale wetu kutukwasa obusobozi kandi tukusima webale kutulinda nka NRM no kutoa obusobozi obo wait president ntugonza kusima bagenzi baitu abarukutusagika nka NRM party abamobilizingire region yenu n'emikolo yenu yona abatweteranizeho ntugonza kusima PLOU Patriotic League of Uganda emikolo yenu yona wait president n'okurubata mu magombora no mu byaro abantu abo batusagikire kandi tuli nabo obatulekere baije batahereke mu NRM tukoreke mu hamwe omulimo kurungi wait president wait president haruho ebintu ebikuru ebitutaireho eriiso nka district ebiturugonzo tukonyere omunchwamu yawe nungi kandi omubulezi oburungi nk'omuzaire waitu wait president ntukusaba okuchwaha itaka area miles nkaga naina ezamatiri forestry reserve otwihireho ha square miles nkaga naina wait president otwihireho square miles ina zonka otwombekereho industrial park ekibire kiramahanda gwa Kampala hanu kiroho kingi muno baitu kubo tukwateraho square miles ina zonka tukombeka okatwombekeraho industrial hub ekyo rabo tumazire nk'abantu ba Kyenjojo bindi birayereta witu nikija kutukonyera muno wait president aba youth bona abatanye na mirimo kutunga emirimo aho ha industrial parking ntukusabote mu amani wait president ekintu kikuru muno warakitukora kiraba cyohire wait haro wait president omungudo nombisaro bekutalabaniza muno ntugonza kusima wait president orugudo rwa Kampala Fort Portal rubayiro rubi muno tubayire ntumara mu saha 8 tugenda Kampala baitu saha zino saha ina zonka okuvugira ka speed isatu kichwe kantu batahiri webale koragera bakayihamwe biyina wait president ntukusaba batere mukimo akakolasi barutandike kandi okasanga urukozireho ntukusima okarukora twalitulukube muno hata no dabiriza kuonka hakwacyali kitaka bahoga kwihense nebaho kugenda kolasi argudo rwa Kampala wait president ni wabandiziyo kandi tukusima wait president kandi tulukwebo oiro hati yongero okanikemu nkarukanika matoke nkuru wait matoko okajigora webale wait president haro urugudo wait president orwaturaganize orukuruga hakabale Fort Portal rukaraba kijura rukaija Cyarusozi rukayihayo rugombe katoke rukaturuka katoke kakabara rukagwa Kampala road ntukusaba wait president orugudo rutukore obora agenda mu office hati akwa karuno ja kasingo kamazirira wait president okamazire akamazira akaruru enaremoye president Museveni oye ntobisabira kimwanya kuhikire hatarogurukya gurukya ngo akaruru no ja kasinga wait president nicyo ndo kusabira bino nka Kyenjojo wait ntukusaba orugudo wait president orugudo orukuruga Kyenjojo Nyarukoma Kigarale cyakatwire bunoga orugudo wait president rulesere toko nyingi ne pumpu abantu bakarora bebembezi baitungurwali rurumu okaboro tairemu kyonka abaho mugezi ababiro bino bagenda bakwata mbaru ihamu baruwele ko mahanda gundi 7 kilometers bazi haha stonaina bazi kwaso gwabwize bazi turikya nseri kyaka mpara nabweki tikina nsonga baitu naitu tukora akaitukana ako abagobe bakatugobeza baitiwe ocholero tukore bukoro wait president. White president ntugonza kusima habo kutoha road unit in ka district baitu waitu district yenu nkoto nkugambira president kani nkokota hoge manyire ntukusaba tuongere hecyoma kindi amagombora gali asatu na limu haramu na district roads haramu sub county roads ecyoma kiriyeki senta noja kusanga financial yako ija kuwao ngo bazigarwira Kampala habo kuba grade eriyemu kandi nejwaha white president nejweka ntukusaba tuongere road unit. Ntukusaba white president okutugalihiza irwaro lya Kyenjojo tusobole okuongera hebyombeko ntukusaba okutungira itaka white president tusobole kugalishira irwaro erukuru lya Kyenjojo. White president abantu ba Kyenjojo nebakusaba okutuha municipality tutaha ntukisaba baitu president akayire ningira nuko kanwa ngokundu korora yogendo ochwemu orangire municipality turayongera kusemererwa baitu tubayite semeriro baitu ntuongerera kemo white president kandi otagarukiraho white district en wajihura nkoto abantu baingi twine milioni 5 za abantu ntugonza district yeno gichwemu bichwe kabibiri ochweho district ebarukweta Katoke district ejo district white president ija kuba netwara Mwenge Central Constituency eyongere etware Mwenge County North webale white president mazire ebindi mbaire mbagambira white president bandu kubi kangarukiraho baitu kusima tukwayo ntugonza wetu kusaba beno ebintu kumalira nabyo tuina abarwana baitu ba veterans ntubasabira white president obombekerenjo habo byeri omuti mutawoni ya Kyenjojo ekyombeko cyetu cyaba civilian veterans turakwijukiraho ga white president ntumalira ntukwijukya ebintu bino ebisigalire byona obemanyire biri mu kihandiko ekyombazire kutunga oija kuba noberora baitu waitu nkirezo mulingwe mbagano za white president nsima abantu bano deka nsima abantu obano white president ntugonza kusima vice chairperson waitu wa NRM Western anakora mulimo gwa amani kumobilizinga ntugonza kusima white president owektinisa kano retired Tom Butime habo kutekaniza naito mukoro gunu kandi ukora nebyakozire white president ntugonza kusima honorable Kamuli Kutesa tugonza kusima oktinisa chairman 5 rubehayo no kusima mono white president abana baitu abajenos ba UPDF abo watsindikire kuno kuija kutamageza habo businge kwenkora korana no kulinda obusinge mukaire ko bururu white president webale tugonza kusima kandi cyakubera nikisoboka abaseja baitu ba UPDF abo akaruru bukarahwa baikalemu bagende kwegesa hantasha ya maka ya bano bandu kubi weitu 4 acres waragire kurara twatandikira henkora korana y'abantu baitu nsaba abakuru wabaije baikale naito mu district nuko henkora korana igende maiso katwetekanize nkabantu bakatoke okufole ekyaro kya Mwaro nka model village kandi mazire nyo kutandikaho ninyanda kubanyakana wa Kyenjojo osindika abantu baije bandambule ekyale ekyo kigumyebe Mwaro model village webale white president twetekanize okusajika kusera karuru ka NRM ohangala white president hangara NRM hangara Uganda NRM oye
Otyo muno chairman esaha yona emu yono jimazire konko jikozise kurungi. I would like to invite the regional vice chairperson who will come and invite the second vice chairperson who will subsequently invite His Excellency. But let me recognize Honorable Baram Bargahara, who is also present, and 2 members of the Secretariat, the Vice or Deputy National Treasurer, Chakweire, and Alice Merajen. Kindly, Vice Chairperson, come and speak. You will invite the second Vice Chairperson, who will invite the President and Chairman to address his people. NRM oye!
Kyenjojo oye! I adopt the protocol, beginning with our national chairman. Allow me invite the second national vice, female, Anita, to come and address and invite His Excellency. Thank you.
Coming in is the second vice chairperson, and my sister is coming to interpret for her in our language. Otyo muno vice chairperson okozire kurungi, you didn't waste any time.
NRM oye! NRM oye! If you love NRM, raise your flags. You love President Museveni, raise your flags. Your Excellency, we want to welcome you to Chenjojo. We also want to recognize the religious leaders who are here. We also want to recognize Wobu Sovosi Bisaka. We want to thank all of you for coming. Your Excellency, we want to thank you so much for working on the road of Chenjojo, Wizi, Kamwenge. And the works are ongoing now. Your Excellency, the road from Kihura, Wizi to Kamwenge is also ongoing. But we want to thank you very, very much for rehabilitating the road from Mubende to Chenjojo. Your Excellency, we have an outstanding pledge that you made that was on the road from Chenjojo to Chakatwire. But we want to thank you for remembering that pledge and putting it in NDP 4. Your Excellency, the land that you promised the hospital, currently the hospital is in a congested area and cannot accommodate all the patients. And Your Excellency, as Chenjojo having all this number, we may need to have, and we need to have a more modern hospital for this area. Finally, Your Excellency, Chenjojo has 31 sub-counties.
Owekinsa President Chenjojo yine amagombora na town councils asatu name.
Based on the number, we may need to have 2 road units in this constituency. It has 2,250 kilometers in this constituency. The money that we are giving, we may need to double the money in this constituency. Chenjojo is like Kasese, like Fort Photo because of their size. Your Excellency, the people of Chenjojo love you.
Mr. President, abantu ba Chenjojo bagonza muno.
We want to thank Honorable Butime for the good work you have done in this place. And they've assured us they are going to give us all the votes. And I have told them the bus that where we are in has 4 tires. The first tire is President Museveni.
President Yoweri Museveni akiki tubuhaulwa babyface.
The second tire are the members of parliament. The third tire is the LOC5 plus its councillors. And the last tire are the LOC3s with its councillors. You cannot drive a bus with only 3 tires. So vote for us from top to bottom. NRM. NRM oye! Your Excellency, I want to request you to come and address the people of Chenjojo. NRM oye! President Museveni oye!
Man is the president, NRM oye! Man is the president, Muhubira Tambara, huba. Kare mwere muno, shida, mwikare. Vice Chairperson wa NRM ya Uganda yona, omukazi, Vice Chairperson Western, abemeza bandu bona ninywena abantu ba Chenjojo abasajiki ba NRM mwebale kwija baingi muti atinyuzire hano icyo kubanza nsemerera kugaruka mu kikaro kino ngo msosoluto kwa gambire tukeja hano when I came ubunyizire najuka mutukeja hano kuombeke ekelezia nikirunje ekelezia mujyombekere kiri ebisigereyo tuturaganisa mukasumi ka karuri bagenda kunsiba tingenda kutingonza kugenda mu nkomo becho turamare byo bururu ntujya kubaza ibiragarukaho mwebare kuombeka ekelezia abo kuba
tukasonda hata umusosodota yanjwire ngo mjombekere rihi kuwa ati nyizire hano the one who is responsible here. Nizire na bemeza abandi ukwanjira manifesto haini kidogo. Okay, asante. Nizire na bemeza abandi ukwanjira manifesto ya NRM ye miaka 2026 2031 manifesto ejo erimu amatafari musanju aga NRM etera hanju ya Uganda ninga negenda kutaho mu myaka 80 ehingwire. Itafari okubanza mutawali wange ugu mwana wa Rwamwaro ugu mutawali wange meya wanyu arabarize chairperson wa Nasar Rwamwaro. He looks like Rwamwaro actually. You are a son of Rwamwaro? Okay, he looks like. Abarizeho obusinge inya batoro na Rwenzori muri bakaiso hakigambo cyo ekikure cyo businge abokwa no myaka yenkaga mukamura hano abazere banye bakabara hano nibarora ensuhuki ezikuruga Kongo nzija hano nati bacyari umuri cyaka bacyari ensuhuki nabo cyensi kwekubetene businge ibindi byona nibiguma eri nditafai bete myaka 80 NRM ekumira businge kandi kumukorora buri arukurga kuri nseri nemundu tumusindikayo wa sitana amutwara nabo icyo Uganda ino businge kasta NRM mukisagika nayo nejja kusobora kuma businge eri ni tafari na mbemu. Tafari ya kabiri ni enkurakurana mutawani wanga jibarizeho abarize ha embaju ibiri zenkurakurana urubajo rumu umurujungu bakita economic infrastructure emisingi ebyentahya nizo ngudo amasanyarazi esimu amaizi egari y'omwika internet ibi byona ko kubitunuraho urora ngo umurimo NRM ekagutandikiraho umikicweka kino eje nguto imukugamba ya Kampala ebere kuzire NRM ekajombeka umukasumi ubutabere sitayina sente korasi ekabane garukira mitiana umukasumi wakatuka sitayina sente nasala magezi nakoragana n'aba Yugoslavia n'abahe empocha we didn't have money n'abahe empocha bankoro rugudo okuruga mitiana kukambende ahanyuma natarabana muno nokutunga sente urugudo kuriha mbende kureta Fort Portal ahanyuma twayongerera twarusindika kuri bundu bujo lamia twakora kan twagarkamu ruri kugenda mbarana twarugarkamu hanyuma twareta urugudo rurehire muno twaruha nyakahitari yantonde kazo Fort twagarikiraho twagenda Karuma tweheyo urugudo twarureta Kigumba Masindi Hoima Kagadi Kyenjojo urugudo ruhano ataho umuntu rukugaba Max umusomesa Max arazigabata abako basomesa otekaho enamba Max 10 uri namba ate namba zivi 10 ati mugende numugaba Max urugudo rwange runayombekere rwa Mubende Fort Portal rubere rukuzire tugenda kurugarakamu tutandikire na hatu batandikire beti bakakeromu icyabakereze nenki abo kuba abana banya kusindika abamuto bakumenya nkora yite abekisaka ito abekisaka tukwata bingi ito abekisaka tugamba tukamuka mugweki akwate mpora akora iki bugusiki ejo niyo nkora yabahekera norara Ruhanga umusosolota arahari na bishop nawe aroho n'umusulamu aroho Ruhanga kikamutwarira enako mukaga okuhangenzi mande yakoraho ebimu cyakabiri yakoraho ebindi cyakasatu yakoraho ebindi cyakana yakoraho ebindi cyakatane yakoraho ebindi cyamukaga nuwe yahangira umuntu hatiwe uje nogama tuvyona ni ngoza kubikora mande nyoti Ruhanga ibyo gukora ibintu byona umuntu ngwiti kubisobora ni nkwata kimu ate kizubu ekikureta okukereza ijo kabadi bundu bujo ari kikaro aha mahegetu gari bakita Kanyamirima na hatukora kugendayo usanga abaserikare bati bari umunjuze binyasi barumu nubarora abaserikare bari umunjuze binyasi abaki abako sente ntoito zitwine tuno kusaraho tukoreki tugure mundu zo kurindesi cyangwa tuombeke gorofa zo kuraramo tusaramu nangwa katugure mundu katurare mbusisira tugure mundu nuko kura nsobora kubakuma ubusinge bwayo nabo cyakerezo urugusho rwanyu hano nabantu kwata bingi kwata kino nicyo cyakereza hati tugenda kurukora tusakire sente hano twasaka hano bagenda kurukora urugutoro beitu kandi kirungi Ruhanga nagonza NRM na Uganda ninchimanyanta abo Ruhanga akasereka abajungu amajuta ga Uganda abajungu bakaba hano kumara imyaka 68 barengaho okuzora amajuta ga Uganda gabarema myaka 80 ati NRM kwizire yagazora nimusobora kurora hari screen baboreka amajuta hari timbi aho ngeja kutandika ukurugayo umwaka gurukwija 26 amajuta show us the petroleum. Ate aho mukorora aho nizibarimu amazuba ga majuta kuri nyuma nimurora inyanja muitanzikie hana harabaju nimurora izuba rya majuteri nawe cyo ntujya kutanga kutunga sente za majuta aho emirimo neja kwanguha beitu nabo ningonza musugaze nenkore yabahekere eri ito yokwata kamwe kamu tukwata bingi kwata kino akigambo cyengudo ningonza oku bahamiza ito NRM kumuratsagika tujya kurora ngo ingutu za chorus zona zasigara ziri nungi kandi nezitaka nazo zasigara ziri nungi nkezitaka kuchara itagisa kongera mu sente zitukusindika mu district ntuzongeramu biliyoni mu tukusindika yo tujya kusindika nuza kubisatu tusindika okore ngudo ezitaka zombyalo betejo nikimanyisa ngutwena tuino kwikiriza ngo ebi mu bintu korwa hati ebindi bikarindaho. We must accept that principle of prioritization. Nchi chikuleta okusise emirimu nimujuka emyezi ebiri ehoire abasomesa bange bakaba bedimire bigikuru bange abasomesa bakaba bedimire tukwaza musara hati musara unoterese musara itu twajema bigikuru kantonole sente zo kurora uguto rwabatoro nabamba nabakonjo kabaturkubi tumureka tukarukora tukabanza tukarukora umusara kwija hanyuma hati umusara hati atebyo nibe bikusisa programs aboko nororo rugudo ndukwata ahangari ahamuntu wena omulimi omulisa omurweire omusuma kugenda kwiba omusara omukozi wa bona orugudo ndubakwataho nawe cyo twatine kusaraho tubanze iki omusara cyangwa urugudo cyamagezi to mukorora kwa ito kutandikana urugudo ibindi tubyongereho atebene bya engudo ariho urugudo rukugenda bwizi urubarutandikire bwizi rugahano rugenda bwizi nurugenda uko rurahano orwa chenjojo kihura bwizi rwa mwanja kahunje mpara bwizi nengute zindi zo matauni haro rugudo rumukubaza muji murusobore kurungi ndumanye urundo urumukenda kuongeraho ninja kwa kabuza abembezi betaro ruto rwa football kijura oro ni ndumanya na ntujya kurukora nturumanyo ate bibyona biri hangudo amasanyarazi entegeka yitu erinti tukabanza twagama amasanyarazi gahike ahambuga ya district zona za Uganda hata yindi kubariza amashanyarazi gakira ha district zona za Uganda ahambuga enkuru ukuyaho district ya Buvuma ebizinga kutwargaho twagamba shita amashanyarazi gahike hambuga za Magomborora hata yenda kugambira umurikenjojo Nishero amashanyarazi mu faina yange
The president is perusing through the roads and electricity to make sure that Chenjojo is fully served. NRM oye! President Museveni oye!
Hati mfairo hanu araho Magomborora matoito umuryengejo agataka kiroha amashanyarazi agandi gona amashanyarazi gahikire ahambuga yegomborora ngabasoko gatakakire mu byaro byona bitu gahikire ahambuga yegomborora koza kuriye ibyo kuriya ubanza obega okuriye oburono mukumanya babanza bacyumba oburo babugoya babuyihura bakora embumburi ningo umwata ahanyuma iwo obega otere nogo otomumboga okoza otomunwa tukubasa kurya oburo butagoyire it is all nibikoratana byona hata Magomborora gatakatungire amashanyarazi kanye garamire abatu bakatungire Bufunjo tubakatungire Cyarusozi tugakahikireyo Kisojo tugakahikireyo Batarika tugakahikireyo Mabale Town Council tugakahikireyo Egomborora zone zi asatu na rumwe izindi zona amashanyarazi gakira hambuge yegomborora ukuye hwezo zimbarizi nabwo icyo umurimo ukatandikira ngo kureta amashanyarazi harabaju resimu inywena mwine sumu umusawozanyi buriyo bona bine sumu umurimo gwesumu gukahwa amayizi nago ndozire umurimo gukozurwe ene bicyasigayireyo ebi byona biri harabaju rwemisingi ibyentahiye y'abantu harabaju rwemisingi yenkara y'abantu social infrastructure nabyo mbirozire hano amasomero ngaruzire amarwariro ngaruzire ebikozire mbirozire bitakozire nabyo mbirozire amarwariro eine
The president has everything on record, is checking to ensure that Chenjojo gets all it deserves.
Hospital emu Mwina Health Center 4 emu Mwina Health Center 3 16 Kombori 17 Health Center 3 ati entegeka ilieti irwaliro ryaka ya Health Center 3 ya Nyantungo nibagenda kuryombeka Nyantungo sub county nibagenda kuryombeka amarwaro ga Health Center 3 Mahiaka Chifuka Trading Center Chakatwire Trading Center Batarika Butunduzi Nyabiringo Kitega Nyankwanzi Chamutunzi Charusozi Chembogo Nyakisi Kanyagaramire and the Petit sub county. Ezo zona bagenda kuombeka Health Center 3 za Kasatu. Na weki ebi byona hamu emisingi ebya nyikala y'abantu hamune emisingi ebya entahya byona hamu ntubitwara omukiti kya enkurakurana baitu kandi taba NRM tutamani hakigambo ikindi aboko myaka yenkaga hakariho okubaza na hata mbenumbaza mkosi kigambo enkurakurana nikizoka numanyisa engudo na amasomero n'ebindi bitaruwe ikigambo ito kitubasaba mwahure ikigambo cyobuguda obuguda tubukusana ni enkurakurana yatwena urugudo rwatwena masanyezi gatwena amasomero gatwena beito obuguda nkeka nka kampuni y'abantu nibo obuguda obu hati nkizoka ekizubu kikaletwa abakuru b'amatware ubizire hano abantu batandika kwebwa ebikuru kukora ibindi ati kamba somere omujungu byahandikire omujungu Stanley Henry Morton Stanley akaija omukichweka kyunu umwaka 1887 yahandikati a march of 1 hour and a half in the afternoon, apparently not far from the river, brought us to the populous district of the Babusese. This is in Bunya on the Congo side. Biteke Hansi ya Bunyoro akasuma. The banana plantations were very extensive. Muhurire muri mabana abejukuru. Umjungu na handika 1887. Banana plantations were very extensive, reminding me of Uganda, meaning Buganda, and their shades covered a multitude of huts. Echo mjungu akachandika 1887 December 5th, Babu Sese. Fields of millet and sesame, plots of sweet potatoes occupied the outskirts of the plantations. And there was ample evidence round about that the land was thickly peopled and industrially cultivated. End of quotes. This is volume 1, page 298, in the book called In the Darkest Africa by Henry Morton Stanley. Ugo mjungu nibyandikire ubuyakire mu kiweka kino umwaka 1897. This was 87. Yikara muno na yetorora muno emyaka ebiri. Hanyuma 1889 yatandika urugendo kuza Zanzibar. Yaraba muno ati ahika ikiweka cha Ankole. In quotes, no akabanza yaraba handi. Going on with the march, we next came to Ndongo, a perfect garden of plantains. The whole country was rich, most surprisingly so. Umjungu na handika. The same streaky agricultural sandstones prevailed in the Karagwe. Oh, this is Karagwe now in Tanzania. Oh no, as in Karagwe, Congo, comparing with Karagwe of Tanzania. There was nothing in the fact that would not have grown here. Mjungu na handika. Uitaka kansobora kweza ibintu byona. If it lacked moisture and a temperate heat, it was a perfect paradise of Negroes. Perfect paradise of Negroes. As fast as they sowed, they were sure of a crop without much trouble. Though, I must say, they kept their huts and their gardens in excellent order. This is on page 128 of that book of Stanley. Now, 1889, when he was going away, he wrote, crossing a narrow neck of land, descended into the basin of the River Rizi of Mbarara. By degrees, the misty atmosphere of this region was clearing, and we could now see about 5 miles distance, and the contour of the pastoral plateau of Ankori. It was not by any means at its best. It was well into the drought season. It was a dry season in July. The dry season had commenced 2 months previously. Hilly range, steep corn, hammock and plain were clothed with grass ripe for fire. The herds were numerous and all as fat as prize cattle. Ente zikaba ziri nyingi kandi zingesire muno. In the valley, we had passed over 4,000 of the longhorned species. The basin of the Rizi, which we are now in, and which was the heart of Ankole, possessed scores of the finest herds of cattle I had never seen before. Uguno mjungu na handika, achweka chanji chinu. Ira 1887-1889. Ubuguda, bukaburahanu. Ati ni mwekwasa, engudo, amasanyarazi, bichi, engudo tukazitaru. Bakani barabu mihanda. Amasanyarazi gakawa gataru. Beito buguda bukaburu. So, icho nicho NRM ikara ne basomesa. Ubuguda. Ati nkikengire cyane sire kizungu n'abajungu nubatawira abantu baitu. Okuserro turumo twa ofisi twa obukarani niyo bikuru ebyo ubuguda tubakufaho. Bari mu dyebyo. Njya kukibazaho akasumi akandi. Bit NRM kuyizira yabasomesa ubuguda. Umakaganyi nywena engudo nkurakurana yatwena bitiwe uruguta hati urukuruga kagadi rurungi muno urukuruga mbende narugenda garaka kuba rurundi nyekero no byama harugudo nyekero no byamanka nimbyama harugudo nimbyamanka Mbiamaka umajugwanyu. Aha. Korugaruka ya mukayawe osango unaku borokireyo bwancha bukurindirire bukugambira ngukurukayo mu rukorato ito ticyara hano uko tsigire nuko tusangire ataho no NRM ikara ne bagamba ubuguda tukagire musaka ejuni yabereye ngiri yetu abantu abatwasomese bahuriro ukabura kwetu bakwata katororo habamo
Mazina nani yote matongo owangoma mungu tuna bakaka nta mumugwanya yo muyisa ukeze mu jakureba nuko kandi kakana nazo kwa tazo kwa bajana muyisa zakanya na bana kaka Nifenazo, Rampori, Penda, Rapuzaba, Rana Fedise, Natsuko, Kavamaza, Munyakore, Najan Abundahama, Nukura, Nasunga, Atuzunga,
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Hati ogo mseja umukurora matongo some numnyacharo betu kubahurire ngiri yitu barga hakora enda yonka batandika gukora enda nensaho nibakozesa ekibaro batandika hata muhura musajje muguda buri zoba na tunda lita za mata 900 bei ya mata mu kichweke cyo irhansi abako amata mengi betene hamu milioni ukwezi nizo milioni 2.5 umwaka ayombekire njunungi nko kumukorora aine sola asomesa abana no mwana ugo na gambo rujunga no wa university betu barahara ne rugudo uruguto rwa korasi ruri kilomita mayiro nsanju kuruga ahibariya aro abanda bahuriye kwabura kwetu nubengi nyina filmu nyingi aho nyuni nyoreka filmu tingoreka filmu ze byemzano byonka nyoreka filmu zo gukora katorere bya mukama wakakumiro ati beta ndakabolite bya mukama mukishaka ito yabo ba kwasire bari ba matongo twagitebeza Uganda yona mukaruru ka cyenda na mukaga okozesha aba mataka matoito yikemu teka mu mwani yakaya kabiri teka mu bijuma ikaya kasatu teka mu ubunyasi bwente zo mu cyuju za mata ikaya kana teka mu byo kurya ikaya katano no ezigati oteyo enkoko za mahuri nempunu hayine bisaru utekeyo okurisenchu ikidiba cyenchu hayina abahurira kusomeza kwetu katorebya bengi betukamboreke bya mukama.
Welcome to Kamai Demonstration Farm. My name is Fred Byamukama. I'm a member of Parliament of Bugangezi West Constituency, Kakumiro District. We are now at our 4-acre demonstration farm. The land we have here is approximately 4 acres. This is a farm we started 2 years back here, 2.5 years back. And on this farm, we have a half acre of pineapple, has 6 cows for zero grazing. We have poultry, about 25,000 birds, but only 11,000 are giving us eggs. And we have 1 acre of grass. We have piggery, those are very many. And 1 acre of coffee mixed with banana. Where we are, this is the 4-acre model farm. I did this activity to teach my voters, to lead by example, so that my voters can learn what measure the president tells the public. This is an initiative I learned from the president sometime back when he sent me to learn to Kaumu, to Kisozi. I copied what I copied, this is what I came up with. And you will see as we move, or that side, this side, that's my 4-acre model farm. The house as well. You don't sleep here, but if I would sleep here, the house as well is seated on this 4-acre model farm. When you look at poultry, out of the 25,000 birds, it's only 11,000 giving me eggs. Others are soon giving me, and I get 302 trays per day minimally, because 11,000 birds are supposed to give me 366 trays. But because of the feeding method of deep litter, I don't get all the eggs. I get 302 trays per day minimally. Then I sell in a month, you can get a net profit of 55 million. Because you get 108 million, but you can't get all that. You have to buy feeds, pay workers, pay electricity, remain with 55 million net pay. When you get the cows per month, these are 6 cows. Each cow minimally gives you 20 liters. So when you get 20 times 6, that's 120 liters per day. 120 liters per day, for us a liter here is 2,000, because we sell each cup at 1,000. So you get 2,000 times 120, you get 24,000 per day. So 24,000 per day, when you multiply, you get about 7.6 million per month. But 7.6 million per month, you cannot save it. You have to get 200 to pay these workers, sometimes even the drug for spraying. That is zero grazing, you spray for ticks and other things. At the end of the day, you remain with a net profit of 6 million from the cows for zero grazing. So this is our grass. Here, 1 acre of grass. This 1 acre is enough feeding our 6 cows. And our cows are feeding well with this grass we have. When you get like the half an acre of pineapple per harvest, we get about 4.5 million and I harvest twice a year. You will see, even as now, there are those which I can harvest for my friends to take. When you look at the piggery, in a month, I can get about between 150 and 180 piglets. But those I don't sell, I give to my neighbors to rear. When you look at coffee, we normally harvest 12 million. We normally harvest 12 million from 1 acre because we're just starting up the harvest. We had the first harvest, and when you get about 12 million, but when you irrigate very well, and you have fertilizer, you get between 18 and 24 million. From 1 acre, coffee alone minus banana. And this banana, at the end of the month, you can get about 1 million, 1.8 million. But I don't sell my banana, I use it for eating. So I simply get my coffee to ensure the other 12 million I'm telling you, which we are getting from this 1 acre, because we have tested it where you receive. And here, currently, I'm employing 26 people. Previously, I was employing 7.
Hata aho nimurora bya Mukama akatandika emyaka 3 ehingwire kuba mukomere Isakara muhagizi wa musagiki wa NRM wa Amani Karori Kamanyire yamundetera rwakitura yangambira nti umwana bamukomere nkomukorasi muhamagezi namugambire binyikara nimbagambire nyenywena 4 acres modo abantu bitaka ritoito ngoko yagenzire yabita mu nkora nkokumurozire akarimo omwani yarime bitoke yarime nanasi yateka wente zo mukiju aine empunu konke empunu nazigaba konka nazigabira aba constituency yatekaho enkoko za mahuri ekibaro cyona twinebwire kukikwata kibaro kya Amani hikina bitu nyonko aseremu amahuru gonka burunaku natunda trays za mahuri bisatu na ibiri umwezi ni hamu milioni 108 umahuri gonka umwezi kwarkwihaweza kozesa asigaza milioni 5.5 amagoba buri mwezi umwaka nizo milioni rusanju hey amahuri gonka amagoba amaziri kwiheza kozesa tuteremu ziri ibindi biri bya koromwane binamata bitu tuteremu kandi hati bya Mukama aresere kintu cyakana mbini magambera nti obuguda ni tafari ya kasatu NRM liyatere hanju ya Uganda okuhabura abantu obuguda bulinka kandi no kubayamba kubuta mu nkora hati bya Mukama ayongereho cyakana obuguda bwe buzere emirimo 26 yabanya Uganda bandi mbarozeraho abana abo bana ubuguda bwabo ya Mukama buzere emirimo ntuje kukigongara kukibazaho hati ogonu bya Mukama katoro nijo umusigazi wa Kamuroko bya Mukama ekirungi hari bintu biri musanju akozereho bitano icyarekereyo nenchu nizarekereyo na ibindi byona bikozere
Mzee Sangwa Johnson, managing director wa Jeka Poultry Farm. Jeka Poultry Farm ea gani babu kwenge Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamikamu Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. Ezo futi atano 10 edaitaka. Tutandika tutya twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi Sawuga bamwidukira Katonda mu ekimula eky'emirembe nga bamukoyemu abantu bangi abatamu application nga balikwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5. Ayi president yaira yatunungamya yakuba tubana abantu mwena mwena tumusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5. Aye abantu mujje mukole emirimu egingi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda embiddi okulunda enkoko byonna yabyogerako. Nze nafikinga mu kyokulunda enkoko n'atandika efaamu mu 2007 n'enkoko 5. Sawa bino wendegerera kufaamu kuno kize mabega ntambwire. President yali yankyalira mu 2010 nga nina enkoko 5 yasana fayini. Sawa bino tutambwire tulina enkoko mitwalo 30 tufulumya amagi etwemu 200 buli lunaku. Etwemu 200 divaamu milioni 2 buli lunaku. Omwezi ziba milioni 6. Omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni 6 n'ekitundu.
Hati omusigazi ogwo basangwa nkabasanga 2007 nibagonza kwitanganira hakarimo ka LC5. Urutaro ruri mu rwamani niba Rwanda akarimo ka LC5 nyina bagabent umurimo wa LC5 n'umurimo gumugwonka mwena bengi muti murafoka LC5 mukore ibindi wihamo kukora enkoko biri musanju wiyakora ukimwe enkoko akabatene ibyo buguda akabayine futa 5 hari 10 yatandikiraho enkoko hata naturike enko trades amahuri 200 burunaku natasha milioni 2 umwezi hizo milioni 6 no milioni 600 umwezi umwaka nizo bilioni 7 na milioni 200 hati ekizibu abantu bagenda mbya politics batamenyere kikubatwaramu abamwe baserura umurimo abamwe baserura abamwe baserura amabara honorable excellency aro nabandi babeta right honorable ebitinise biriyo ko byamani muno lordship, I don't know what. The only thing they are not calling themselves is Almighty. Beitu tubakumanya obwebembezi oseme kugenda mbwebembezi oyino omugugu gwa abantu bawe. That's the only way you should go for leadership for. Don't solve your problems in leadership. Solve your problems privately. And when you are ready to serve, you come and say, I want to serve. To help you, not to help myself. Hati itwe gunombazi gwahikina nombazi gutwaserire ogwo uitaka rutoito kora ebyenda korerenda nensaho nokozese kibaro amuntu wahikina no garka hansi nugombazi gwitu guno hika ina ibintu musanju umwani ebijuma amata gente zo mucyujju ibyukuri byaka amahuri empunu enchu zekidiba kora byona ngakora hwebimu beitu hariho mbazo gundi abamataka amakoto nubasa kukora ibindi nkanyowe nindi sente ze nyankore nugo moga gwange wesinkuri nyowe nugo ndoho nyowe ente zistano ya rozire ugo mujungu mbasomere ya rozire 1889 nyowe zina ndaharu nazo kanziboreke nyine bitebye bijungu konga yitingu faho muno ndi hanyankore nyowe nyine ho bitebye bijungu aho nabyo mbine mu bitingu faho aha mwarorente zaba swenkurimwe ezo ente nyoyi nente abakanye ente nyingi itakara rukoto ni ntunda ente nyingi umwaka bali abahikina ntucheta mu ruzungu intensive agriculture atikine cyange extensive agriculture ni nkorora hakoto nubundabe nintunga kakye burihika biti nintunga chikoto habuko ninkora on scale hata roho abachai katorora abachai toina bachai dola chai omuntu arakomeye ekibaro cya chai noha umuhika omuntu nayi hamuzinga kuri abananka bakangambere ekibaro cyabo ababweju ekibaro cya hano kiri kita cya chai burika no arakomeye ekibaro eki
jahanu yaha
Oektinisa President
ebe webere takasiskele hika umuntu abene hamuzinga ho mwaka
kulima chai with extensive amajani hika nerugamu emitwaro 20 buli hika buli kwezi baitu kakuba tukora nkebya batahe baitu bakora hika nesobora kurugamu emitwaro 50 buli kwezi kandi tutandikireho specialty tea egiyo nerugamu milioni buli kwezi amagoba net profit your excellency.
Okay, kale bete enyima kuri aitwabari zikaze zingaha akukatinda gitere mbiri musanju obutwabazire kibare obo 1996 mukamiri amtwara abiri
nambere twabalire kibaro your excellency emtwari 18 emtwaro 20 nabweke kuhabura kwawe nitwikiriza Oektinisa wahika nyingi emtwaro 20 yegi na ihamu sente nyingi
absolutely kare babare muno amabara gawe
Onesimus Masiko omulimi Kyenjojo
Masiko wa Kyenjojo hati mwahurira ngo obutabentu bare kibaro kino 95 96 twabazire chai twagam ejo chai ninkente ze nyankore nikendo witakarukoto ati muhurire Masiko natugambira ngo ubu kibaro kikakiri buri mwezi omuntu nehamwe emitwaro 2 ekikumanyisa omwaka nzo miliyoni 2 n'emitwaro 4 obuhiraho amagoba ningagarumu Masiko uhireho ebyokozesa
emitwaro 2 eri net profit, Your Excellency.
Net profit?
Yes.
Nabwekyo umazire kwihaho ebyokozesa usigaza emitwaro 2 hikemu hatwo kuba ikimanyisa omwaka wihamu miliyoni 2 n'emitwaro 80 betu murire omwani wene hamu nyingi bya mukama miliyoni 2 na bizito ntujya nawo kumukaguza kwa kwihaho bizakozesa uwenkoko muhurire nabwe cyabacayi nabo nabe bikoijo. Do you have sugar cane? Sugar cane and maize. Ebi byona nibigonza hakoto kuna bitunga mutwereke. Ebi byona nibigonza hakoto nabwekyo abukana byontu byetenga tukubasa kulisa enkoko tutine bichori nyonka bagambira aba agriculture nyundi mulisa wente kubeti nisobora kubarimira ebichori nabagenzi bange habokuba urukulisa enkoko urukulisa empunu urukulisa ente netaga ebichori byo gukora ebikuriya bya magana ntwetaga pamba yokorengo yengazo nkaruru urunjwere bitu mwarora wachayi nubebe yaberera hansi 2.4 million buri eka kunukuba nyine ihika 10 ezo 24 million kunukuba nyine ihika 10 ezo 240 million kunukuba nyine ihika 10 that's 2.4 billion. It's good money. So nkirigira hambazi ugumuntu asemerere ate cyayebere tungiremo ebizibu betati nyonsemerere umuntu abakuba nkabanyera rikirire ngo cyayebe yaza kugwa beto tukodere research twasanga ngo tukora kino na kino cyayi ecyine beyi nungi ngo kumahurira ba masiko nagamba ngo haro kandi za cyayize miringo mingi so ntabwo icyo tureke okwa masiko hari cyayi atero ni tafari ya kasatu NRM iritera hari Uganda obuguda nyowe entezange nyingi NRM ahizire mu government entezikazire miliyoni 3 zonka ati Uganda yone inente miliyoni 16 izange ziyongere nezabana zayongera into zona mu Uganda zayongera umwani nicyo kimu chai tukasanga abantu Uganda ne turicha miliyoni 3 kilograms bitatu turicha miliyoni 6 na bwecyo abanya Uganda bambaguda haire benji baguda haire na Uganda yo aguda hala beti harama bacyasigireyo ubumbindi kitagwenda bangamire ngo amaka 6 hari 10 barigiro mbunako bari mu mwani munka hari amaka 80 hari 10 gacyariyo agu ntwine guheya tuyana nisemero mutabano wange mwana warwa meya wanyu Rwamwaro agambi paka na barwengaju Nyakana nimugenda kumusinga mwebare muno betaro ikimpurire ngo haro abakwibe sente za PDM abantu abo harimu mpuriremu ensobi ibiri. Ensobi yokubanza engabana ngo abantu nibegabira bonka bagabira abanyabuzare ejo nsobe ninja kusindika auditor wange nabara ekibaro ekyo mugambire Minister Rafael Magezi aije hano mwangu atayo mu nsonga ejo mugambire bete ekyo nimbasaba inyenywena umanyire inyenywena mwine okumanya ngo ejensi ne yanyu mureke kwikara uko mu rubaju abantu bakatware ubugweto bwanyu NRM ebagwesire yagamba nti burumuruka tubagwesire milioni 10 buri mwaka ati unukiruzota omuntu akatwara ubugweto bwawe ogoto musango bwawe newe no musango nyowe ezente zumurozirezo isenkuru za nyowe kashanku akasigaza ente musanju ente zikafa ombyamo hasigara ente musanju umwaka 1893 ukurugante musanju ezente zumurozire niziri musanju ziri ente zange zikagutanga esire no tukwataho nojanka atinye ubweto bwanyu enarembwe bagwetira hano umuruka gwanyu abantu nibabwiba muri yaho nimukoraki nenye mwino musango abako bangambire ngo abakakiko nibasosora ata honorora NRM ne sobora kuba nayo ensobi NRM secretariat okusoborera abantu ebiragiro nibigamba ngo buri muntu wano omukuru omuruka omyaka 18 no garuka heguru aino businge kutaha musako yomuruka tena kusobora kutanga ntoteja hano teja wini myaka 18 nogenda heguru nibeto orukurato rwomuruka gwona noija no foko wikibina tarora kusobora kutanga ato orukungana rwabona rwomuruka abantu abakuru myaka 18 garuka heguru ninjo murukoma akakiko kanyu ninyo murukoma akakiko akarukugaba na kanyu ninyo mukakoma hati ori umuruka umukubaza umuruka ni secretary ni cyakakiko ako what is he umuruka ni secretary kao arinka umuruka nakora cyo umurukiko Secretary mukachiko nakora murumuki
Your Excellency
umuruka nakora mukachiko nakora ki
Your Excellency umuruka nuwe secretary nahandika
akachiko kasaramu
Yes
akachiko nuko karusalamu no harabanza no haragarukaho
ego
Yes so kare orukugamba ngo babiha ayije hano orugamba no ayije hano ningonza abantu babiri bayije hano bagambe muyije hano bayigurire bayije hano aha uriyo umuhekera yarugaye umuhekera murozire ijyo umuhekera nibaha umusigazi nibaha abarukugaba abarakusaraho no harabanza no haragarukaho
waitu mukuru president amazima ganyini yenda kugambira Chenjejo district tuli kubi nibabaliza hanu baitu tibakubikiriza iyo bo kuboli hanu nibabibaza ino rakimu nibagambira kurunyi baititwe obo kumara kugenda ne chuka nibabichusa bone babiyasagaliza district
kare ija hano mureke no mutahim garka ereze sumiyawe ogo musti Minister Magezi neja kutere sumu neja na tawo Minister neja kutaha mazere kumugambira neja hano kujja kutaho mu nsongejo hati ejo nensobi hati mwene mukimanya hato kuruga hati mukimanya ngo inywe abantu abakuru mwena muruka myaka 18 agorka haiguru. Let me say this in English. Who can translate for me in return? Let me say it in English. Who can translate for me? Omuisti, district woman.
Akasukari ja o interpreting obaze murunyo murutoro.
Let me speak in English so that it's clear.
Lakambaza murungereza nukonkiheyo kurungi.
Hati now the General Assembly of the parish of all adults 18 and above who want to engage in wealth creation is the one
orkuru orwabantu abarkwetaga kutaha omubuguda abakuru
myaka 18
abe myaka 18 no genda haiguru
is the one which elects the committee of the circle
orkuratoru nurwo rukoma abantu abayasako
abakachiko
abakakuratako.
So there is no, if they are doing bad, call a meeting and remove them.
Obaraba batarukole kinyakwikirire mweto rukurato mubayihamo.
So this is, it seems you don't know n'abantu banyu ninyo baba komere
nikisana timumanyire habo kuba abantu abamukubaza banyu kandi ninyo baba komere
bakekoma. Okay, now Minister Magezi will come here. He will be in touch with your leaders here, and he will call a public meeting, and we shall finish this problem.
Minister Rafael Magezi naija kuja hano na yetorukurato rwabayingi natahamwe nsonga zino.
Now, regarding that's one mistake of biased allocation.
Ejo niyo nsonga yokubanza eyokugaba sente mu mulingo ogutasemerire.
Ensobe etali ya bulinganiza.
Omulingo ogutayina mbwenganiza.
Now, but there is the one which is criminal now.
hati haruhe nsongendi gunhugo musango.
The one of saying that I give you 1 million but you give me 200,000 for me to give you
kugamba ngonkuhe akakayikurukamo ompehe mitwaro 20 ogu musango.
Those will be arrested.
Abo nibaija kusibwa mu nkomo.
That's a crime.
Ogu musango.
It's not just a mistake, it is a crime.
Egiteri nsobi kuonka chionka musango.
The other one is a mistake, it can be corrected now by organizationally.
Kiriya kindi nsobi nesobora kugororwa chionka ekyokusaba abantu sente ogu musango.
It can be corrected by now electing a committee which will do proper things.
Ekyokugorra ekyo nkija kugororwa omurweikara mukongera mukakoma obutebe obukwija kukora ebisemerire kukorwa.
So therefore that's engineer mwabare muno.
Thank you.
Ekyo nikyo kyatwere NRM mu Kisaka ogarura obusoboreza abananchi obusoboreza n'obwanyu mubukozese. Hati eri ni tafari ya kasatu eri obuguda aru itafari ya kana eri emirimu abamu bekana bagamba bategereza ngo emirimu kale muchurere mureke etoko muchurere. Hati tafari ya kana ni tafari ya emirimu nesangwa nkaha abamu babahabya babagambe ngo emirimo nesangwa mu government. Yes, government ine emirimo ya government mitoito. Emirimo emingi kamboreke emirimo ya kusangwa katorere basango turozere bya mukama obugudabwe buzere emirimo 26 olu torozere hali katorere basangwa.
Wa president okuva ku kiseera ekyo twakati katukigiire president yawe musanufino ku bintu byenkoze era nga buli kaseera nkyekingako. Wendogera kati tulina abakozi 300 betukozesa.
Lora harutimbi musajja basangwa akabara munaku akabaine ka plot ka futi 5 hari 10 mukatawe yahuriro enjiri yange yarise nkoko muri ukwabya natahia hati naturicha natase milioni 20 burunaku musajja muguda beto buguda bwabasangwa buzaire emirimo 13 y'abanya-Uganda bandi. So katolera makorero go back. Ate jo taone mkorora mtaone mpyaka na mbare taone ejo nuwo bajombekire mukasumi ka NRM ya makororo gonka makororo amatauni ga NRM amahyaka gaina mamadu amakororo gonka inye tauni zumukumanya Zeira nizobuduka ubuduka bwo kutunda huzi kutunda sabuni kutunda buto nizo mukumanya izo tauni zetu Zeira hata dora za NRM za makororo gonga umutauni ejo harimo amakororo 75 katahe umunde yikororo muturero abantu abakoramo dora abana bakora mu factory mu Yonka hata unione ejo nambare nekozesa abana mutwaro gumune 200 katugende namamve ina mama korro bibiri sanju na asatu nibakozesa abana emitwaro na 10,000 nabwekyo emirimu ebingi nesangwa mu buguda bw'abantu buguda bwange ng'omuntu buguda bwa family buguda bwa company nibwo buri kuzara emirimu murozoro obuguda bwa agriculture ayabakorera ahafunzire n'abakorera ahakoto aturozire emirimo ya makorero factories hariho n'emirimo ya mahoteli ya transport borders numbarora ubugega nibwo nuburuga omubuguda bwa emirimo nirugo mbugega bwa abantu hata nugo matafari gaitu anaga yenare kora batarugonza kwate muitaka agriculture kamboreka abana bange banasomesa ba skilling hub abo agriculture tubabira muno basobora kozesa emikono n'omutwe barinka habo aba skilling hub mwakaiso bw'abana babiri bonko mojo no musiki muri kikubaza bingi icyakwihira mu isomero nenki ukasoma ki hatu nokora ki mabaragawe
amabara gange nibanyeta kwa kugonza Sidon ninduga mu sub-county ya Kihura Chenjejo district ekyaro mbacheta Kisakara village nkasoma na koma musini ya tu kusoma kwa lema school fees ya bora na vireka na bamchiaro nkembora mko habo kutafuna kusoma aho na uliriro muranga ogwa skilling hubs na genda replyinga obna replyingira chomukisa murunge narabaho na genda haisomero na reportinga twaikai twatandika kusoma kuhicha mezi mukaga obni soma course ya hair dressing ntakusasura ne 10 byona byabusa nimbyamabusa nimbyabusa kurugana funa na mindset change nayo nagifunira certificate hati namalirize myezi mukaga nagaruka omukyaro mindset ye tiyanyikiriza kuikara na sero mulimo nagenda nakozesibwa ya meziana nafune emitwaro yange 10 emitwaro 10 yambamu nko omuntu kugiye yambisa emitwaro 3 na yafoka business naza kutandika kwekozesa amitwaro 3 nasaba n'abazaire bange banyongerereho mpye emitwaro 5 natandika capital ya emitwaro 5 no haho waizire kubungira isomero ryaitu eria Kidwiga Presidential Hub obu waizire His Excellency na kuhereza success story yangu wampereza milioni 10 obu wampereza milioni 10 hati nisabo nyikirize baby face nkuhereze nkokumkozeseze sentence wampereze nkakwata ho milioni 5 na gurahitaka byokora projects na mara na yongera saluni na jongera musente semerire kurugao hiyo yonko yamfosinga kutunga mukozi nafuno mukozi nanya nafoka bosi wo muntu wa obunali nyinoko mukozi naroro mukozi wo mutakuma cyampambiriza kufuna mukozi wa kabiri obufunira mukozi wa kabiri narora nabo sente zinkutungama zifosinga kukora yokini haitaka liri nagusiri nateka ho project yankoko natandika project yankoko eza mahuli hati nkatandikisa yankoko 20 bepisasa na yankoko 40 kandi standikire no kwalika buli chiro ni nturutia tray eya mahuli kandi mukwezi nimba nintunge emitwaro 8 nokujayiguru mu mahuli enkoko hizo zonke zikamfosinga kufuna omukozi nateka yo mukozi aliyo nao nasasurwa emitwaro 10 buli kwezi n'omusaluni honka hampambiriza kufuna omukozi ow'akasatu saa zino nyine abakozi basatu kandi buli mukozi nasasurwa emitwaro 10. Babyface okusiima okwange ninza kukuteeka mu kabokisi muli na famile yange ntumire nti akaruru kawe kandi turetekanize n'okulinda akaruru kawe Babyface for God and my country.
Amabara
Orubazo obusinguzi amabara gange ni Nyahisibwa James.
Amabara gogo mwana gomwishiki
amabara gange ne banyeta ko kugonza Sidon saluni mbazeta Queen Start saluni nesangirwa cyura
ko kugonza hati aina umwoga obukugu buzaire obuguda aina saluni buguda bwe aina enkoko kana kozesa abantu boss
yes
wabakozi bana
yes
basatu mu saluni omwe mu nkoko hati nimuroro kwa hindukira omuntu omuhendo kale ko kugonza
orubazo rusinguzi amabara ganje ni Nyahisibwa James ninduka mcharo cha Kizwiga egombora Katoke isaza lya Mwenge Central district ni ya Chenjojo nkasoma nagarukira musini ya kana ubwiro busente zabura nagaruka muka natandika kwekozesa nindime bicholi ebihimba mu bwiro obundi muka nona huliriro maranga gwa skilling center ya His Excellency yataire mu cyaro cyetu cya Kizwiga habari John yaitu eno ya Toro nahura kugonza no kwegomba kugenda nkaba mwege hali ritendekero ngatwaro kusaba kwange ha district kandi cyo mugisa murungi kusaba kwange kwarabamu nkaba nchali yao ni mukulima mpura akasimu bangamba Nyahisibwa James orabiremu kugenda ukasomera isomero lya His Excellency ojwale bwangu oiruke otange kusoma ngajwariza speed nagenda bantangira kurungi nafuna ubuhereza bwabusa nabage bagenzi bange kandi batugonza muno nkabazaire namara ya mezi mukaga nafuna skill mu byokuombeka then banyegesa no kuhindula entekereza yange ibakwesere mindset change okuruke kirecho amezi mukago bwawereho ngaruka muka na certificate zangi 2 nagamba ngeri ntungire mindset change tisoko byama nisoko ekozesa ntandika ntera matafali omutwaro gumu buli tafali nditunda 15 ubona tunzire sentes mfuna milioni 1 nekichweka haba hunaiba akaba nayombekeni angamba mwana wangu kanyina aka contract usoku supplyinga matafali kanoteri tafali rungi mugambe yeko hati angamba nza kuhair boni ya milioni ejem abokuwa kanaenda matafali mitwale 2 negaturusha milioni 3 ubuyampaye milioni M nagitenza milioni 2 nakichweka nyitaya abakozi 2 ntandika kukora nabo bangamba maja kunya milioni milioni mitwara 5 hasigara milioni 1 nikichweka ubunarugeraho milioni 1 nikichweka nkwate mitwara 5 ngiteka habantu abakundetera amaizi ntandika kukora nkora amatafali mukwezi kumtwatuga mazire mukwezi kwa kabiri tuocha obyampaye milioni 4 nekichweka nyemera nkwata milioni 1 njigabera abakozi nanye yahezange hasigara milioni 3 nekichweka unkabandi haba umutaka angamba James nkaba nyine yo ente yange ngiherekere baitu nyine kizibu noso kumpa milioni 2 kandi ekulize namugamba tikine ensonga ihimba milioni 2 nzimuha kabanza ahwize mu kitebe hasigara milioni 1 ubu nkabandi aho hawaha amezi 3 entege zara ubu yamaze kuzara nsanga nti nafuna ubujunanzibo bwogenda munte kandi kongera nkatera amatafari umugugu gwaba mwingi nserayo mukozi wa kasatu muteko munte entegi bulikire kere nempa litayina rwebajo na litayina rwebajo nyanchakara ubu namazire natunga ubujunanizibwa bwo kongera kutera amatafari gani abakozi banuna nsanga nibetaga kubongera musende nsibongera ha milioni 2 nekichweka zinkabansikaizi mbahimbira milioni 1 nekichweka nyonsigaza milioni 1 umugufu ona mazira milioni 1 eji gifuna nsanga antiente nempa lita 8 buli kilo lita 8 buli kilo buli lita nimba ningitunda singiru 10 nizo siringi kanana buli kilo kimaise ukwezi nasanga gani ntuge mtwaro aberneno wait his excellency nyowe tinyinengeri so kusima abokuba kyo kino butukubaza and bossi amabaragange nya Isiba James Isiba James ukora ukweraganizo kwanga haliwa his excellency nyowe tinyine kiso kusimiso ihireo ninyeraganiza nja kurubato obegwa obagujwa sera karuru kawe na family members bona nja kutera umaranga na cyenzo zyo nakutwaliza hamwe kurora wa musinguzi
ahisiwe akawa hata inomoga ainobuguda bukora matafari ainente natuna mata kana yombeka hata inabakozi bangaha bana nawon boss nka kugonza kale mwebale hatu nimurora mwebale muno ntuje kuteze kisani hati abanyakenjojo nugo matafarana aga NRM getera hanju ya Uganda tafari kubanza ubusingi lya kabiri enkurakurana lya kasatu ubuguda bwa abantu nobwensi yona lya kana emirimu nesangwa nkaha ukwihaho umwirimo ogo ukutekereza ngo emirimo nesangwa mu government yonka mirimo ya government yona hamu ni mirimo mitwaro na munana betaga makoro gumurozerago gonka garesere mirimo milionemu ni mitwaro 300 emirimo ya makoro hati nekire ya government emirunde 3 nabwo cyo mukozere cyamagezi abakenjojo okusaba industrial park ngenda kukora cyane kikusoboka ukubatungira investors by industrial park eri itakariye kibere yo kantujya kuretegereza kurungi kibera cya muringo kibera cya Ruhanga ninga kibera cya abantu kibera cya Ruhanga icyo kibera cya Ruhanga kimukegendesereze ebire bite bya Karutusi ebyo byangu bite kibera cya Ruhanga kiyasimbire icyo tuno kweta bishop akatusabira na Ruhanga nasubira kutubihirwa kubi muno betu tugonzi itaka we shall get land by one way or other we can even buy land muntu ngiri itaka lyo kugura haro museja kachomya kuri kachomya kanaguza kunguzi itaka kuri umundo uko kachomya museri itaka ikibera cya Ruhanga mukireke Ruhanga kiyasimbire Ruhanga yatwara mutawana ya kakubera kabera kaito ka Karutusi na katwere bwangu bite ikibera cya Ruhanga nyoni ninkitina Ruhanga simbire mitiye yuno gitema ati ente kutararwa mukarure ukubahente za kuri katoke zo kuteka amato mu cyomo ezo ninja kukikorejo more road units. Chenjeje kutunga road units ezikukira hariyemu. Mwebale NRM oye. Omugurisi wenkofira oye.
Oye.
Chenjeje oye.
Oye.
Toro oye.
Oye.
Uganda oye.
Oye.
East Africa oye.
Oye. Your Excellency, we have the flag bearers who would request that you hand over the flags in the presence of their people. And these are Honorable Faith Kunihira holding the flag for Chenjojo Woman MP, Honorable Mutsera Kasukali, Wamwenge Central, Honorable Dr. Lawrence Akugizibwe, Wamwenge North, Honorable Mary Kamuli Kutesa, Wamwenge South, and Honorable Mweba Zemwine of the Youth, Achikira and Singanto. We also have the chairman who is holding the flag for the chairman LC5. And decided to join NRM. There is a flag bearer, woman MP flag bearer, who accepted also to withdraw. If she's around, please go and join the team. If she's not, then we can understand that. The woman flag bearer for PFF, are you there? She decided not to withdraw, maybe. Akika Arinka, get the lady to move, please. Hello? NRM oye! She's there.
Yabaye musayi n'abagenzi bawe uzahura Uganda mukahangare abagenzi bawe uzahura Uganda mukahangare uzahura Uganda mukahangare
NRM oye! President Museveni oye! The president has to move the next venue. Abe inabisembo